Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show to make this with Duik Angela in After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, vectors from freebie.com. I will share project files and download links. So first, let's select these all layers and press S. Then click here. Let's write 10. For go to 10 keyframe, click enter and make scale keyframes. And let's back to first keyframe. Let's change scale 70. Click enter. Okay, nice. And right now let's go to window, open Duik Angela. And right now let's click this play button for go to automation and expressions. Then select all these scale keyframes and go to click Effector. Nice. So right now we have new controller. Let's close Duik and select this Effector. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's change preview. Go to default and select this controller. Let's go to FX control. And we can change inner limit here, like this. Let's see. Nice. And we can change outer limit. Okay, that's good. Let's Control Z. And also we can change shape mode. Let's change here infinite line. Okay, very nice. And let's try change custom shape. We can open inside here, contents, and open custom shape. Select path, select here, and go to pen tool. And let's change path like this. We can hold Alt for make smooth path. And click selection tool. Let's select controller. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's go to project and open other composition. Then again go to window, workspace, change character preview. And let's go to stickers to composition. Select again all these layers. Let's press P and go to 10 keyframe, click here, write 10, click enter. Make new patching keyframes. And go to back and let's change like this, select this, let's move to left and this moved up and this moved to here and this. Let's make random moves like this. Okay, and so let's see. Okay, nice. And select again all these layers. Let's hold Shift, press R for open rotation. And go to here. Make rotate keyframe. Go to back. And let's change rotations 50. Or change 35. Or let's try 25. Okay, that's good. Let's say again. Nice. So right now, let's select all these keyframes. Again, go to window, open Duik Angela. And go to click this play button. And when we selected all these keyframes, click Effector. Nice, close Duik. Let's select controller, let's see. Nice, very good. Okay, that's all, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.